We are in a Friday mode here, apparently. Welcome back to Great Day. So the three of us in the kitchen on a Friday. I don't know what could possibly go wrong.
Ouch.
Yep, see?
Don't turn it on.
In all seriousness, though, for those of you that do not know, November is National Diabetes Month. And Retreat Gastropub announced a give back initiative to support those living with diabetes. This is really kind of cool. The restaurant is showcasing a diabetic friendly dish, and then $2 from every purchase of that dish will be donated directly to the American Diabetes Association.
Great idea.
Isn't that wonderful? And that's a nonprofit organization that seeks to educate the public about diabetes and to try to help those affected by diabetes through funding, research to manage, cure, and prevent diabetes. So the Give Back initiative is inspired by Retreat's own executive chef, Lamont McCurry. Chef Lamont, you see, was diagnosed with diabetes last June. And since receiving that diagnosis, he has made a commitment to substantial lifestyle changes. And he's trying to bring that into the restaurant, too. The featured dish that Chef Lamont has created for National Diabetes Month Give Back is a veggie stir fry, which he actually whipped up this morning and brought it into the studio for us.
It looks so good.
This will turn you
Smells
into a
good.
veggie
Yeah, it
lover.
does.
I'm telling you, the veggie stir fry features sautéed broccolini, red bell pepper, onion, some mushroom,
Chopping the
obviously some
broccolini.
chopping broccolini. Seasoned with tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce, but it's like richer than regular
Smells
soy.
fantastic.
Then you got garlic and ginger and scallions. You can support by simply visiting the restaurant anytime throughout the month of November. And Retreat, again, will donate $2 of the proceeds from every stir-fry dish sold to the American Diabetes Association.
I'm embarrassed.
Have you not been there?
No.
It is awesome.
And where is it?
It's in the
Shame
central,
on us.
it's Midtown Central West Inn-ish. I
Okay.
don't know exactly how you want to call it. It is just to the north of 64. Perfect for a date night. So if you don't have
Nice.
plans tonight or tomorrow, and great drinks.
Well, if this dish is any indication, I'm
It's pretty
all
good.
in. Yeah, and fascinating, by the way, to kind of expand the topic a little bit. You see gluten-free on menus a lot. You see special menu items for people with allergies.
But not diabetic.
Why is it not more common? With 1 in 10 Americans
question.
being
It's a good
diagnosed
question.
Should
diabetic
be.
now,
Chef is asking that question
Yeah.
and answering it.
I bet you're
like
going to
that.
see more of that.
That's a great idea.
That's pretty cool.
Well
All right.
done.
Agent of change.
Yeah. So can I eat this?
Absolutely.